Welcome to the 14th day of Christmas. The jam of the day is strawberry verbena. Verbena makes me think of lemons, and lemonade seems like a great choice. So I'm going to use the entire bottle of jam, 2 tablespoons approximately. Strawberry jam is fine if that's all you have. And next, I used Roku Gin, about 1.5 ounces. To drive the lemon flavor home, I added a 1/2 ounce of limoncello just to even it out, followed by a full ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You always want to use fresh squeezed if you can. So into the shaker with ice. I always shake for approximately 10 to 15 seconds when there's jam. Want to break everything up if possible. And you might have to adjust your straining technique depending on how chunky that jam is. Okay, looks like we got it nice and cold. I opted to use the Hawthorne strainer. I thought that was the best bet. I love the color of this drink. Okay, so it's filled almost to the top, but we finish off with about 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces of soda and give it a quick stir. Not too vigorous. You don't want to lose all those great bubbles. Just a few times around is fine. Garnish with a full lemon wheel, and there you have it. Must say it was really good. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.